Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. Experience the perfect harmony between land and sea with this handmade shrimp-filled ravioli. Each delicate pasta pillow is crafted from scratch, then simmered and coated in a fragrant marinara infused with garlic, white wine, and basil. It's a dish that celebrates simplicity, freshness, and the soul of Italian home cooking. Elegant enough for date night, but comforting enough for Sunday dinner. Like and subscribe. Instruction. In a bowl, whisk the eggs with salt and olive oil. Add the flour and semolina gradually, mix until a firm dough forms. Knead until smooth, wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Let's assemble the ravioli. Roll out the dough thin enough that light passes through it. Brush one sheet with water or egg wash. Add a small spoonful of shrimp filling. Cover with another sheet, press gently to seal, and cut into squares. Peel and chop the garlic. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat and saute the garlic until golden. Deglaze with white wine and let it reduce slightly. Add the strained tomato and oregano, stir, and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Finish with the fresh basil and set aside. cook the ravioli. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Drop the ravioli in, cook until they float to the surface, 2 to 3 minutes. Then transfer directly into the marinara sauce. Toss gently to coat. Plate the ravioli, drizzle with extra virgin olive oil, garnish with fresh basil, and serve warm. Buon appetito!